नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ओयासिस करिअर पॉईंटच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये आपलं स्वागत आहे। या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहणार आहोत 28 ऑगस्ट 2016 रोजी झालेला जो UGC नेट पेपर क्रमांक 1 आहे। या पेपरमधील इंग्रजी माध्यमातील प्रश्नांचं आपण वाचन करूयात, जे प्रश्न तुम्हाला येणाऱ्या एग्जामसाठी उपयुक्त ठरू शकतात।
Question आहे first. In a PhD thesis, which one is the correct sequence for showing scheme of chapterization? Correct answer is option 3. Introduction, survey of related studies, design of study, data presentation, analysis and interpretation, formulation of generalization and conclusions, suggestions for further research, reference and appendices. Next, which of the following is not the critical feature of qualitative research? Correct answer is option 3. Seeking to establish relationship among measured social facts. Then, a detailed description of methodology of research is required in. Correct answer is option first, thesis dissertation. Next, research ethics has a direct connection more often with which stages of research? Correct answer is option second, problem formulation and reporting of research findings. Then passage, read the following passage carefully and answer the question from 5 to 10. Question number 5, answer option number 4. Question number 6, answer option number 2nd. Question number 7, answer option number 1st. Question 8, answer option number 2nd. Question 9, answer option number 3. Question 10, answer option number 3. Then question number 11, internal and external factors that affect message reception by the students in the classroom are referred to as. Correct answer is noise. Next, a teacher in classroom has immediate control over. Correct answer is option first, the self-selected methods of communication and the message. Next, what do communicated words carry in a classroom situation? Correct answer is option number 4, power, structure and tradition. As a good classroom communicator, you are supposed to know your artful pauses. Then figure out of components of non-verbal communication in a classroom from the following. Correct answer is option 4, facial expression, kinesis and personal space. Next, which of the following are the basic factors of effective listening? Correct answer is option 4, acknowledgement of thoughts, reflection and asking open-ended questions. Next one, in a particular code, hospitals is coded as like this. The code of biologicals will be. Question number 16, mathematical reasoning is start. Correct answer is option number 4. Then in the series, the next term is, correct answer is 61, option number 3. At a present, a mother is 3 times older than her son. After 5 years, the sum of their ages will be 70 years. The age of the mother after 10 years will be. Correct answer is 55. In the series AYD, the next term is, correct answer is option 4, KGL. C and D are sisters, A and B are brothers. E is son of the A and brother of D. B is related to C as a. Correct answer is option 3rd, uncle. Next, Anil played 8 cricket matches. The mean means in bracket average of the runs was found to be 80. After playing 4 more matches, the mean of the runs all the matches was found to be 70. The total runs made in the last 4 matches is, correct answer is option number 3, 200. If the proposition are connected in such a way that they can't both be false, although they may both be true, then their relationship is called, correct answer is option second, subcountry. Which one among the following is not a characteristic of a deductive type of argument? Correct answer is option number 24th, option number 3. The argument provides as knowledge about matters of fact. Then select the code which states the condition of an individual deductive argument. Correct answer is option first. All the premises are true but the conclusion is false. Then given below are 2 premises with 4 conclusions drawn from them talking singly or together. Which conclusion are valid drawn? Select the correct answer of the both codes given below. All bats are mammals, birds are not bats. Correct answer is option second, B and D. Bats are not birds, and D, some mammals are bats. Next, when a definition implies a proposal to use the definendum to mean what is meant by the definers is called, correct answer is option second, stipulate definition. Then select the code which not is correct. An analogical argument is strengthened by, correct answer is option 4, making the conclusion stronger when premises remain unchanged. Then option number 29 to 31 depend on data interpretation. Correct answer is option number 29, 4, 30, 2 and 31, 4. Next, question number 32 to 34 depend on data interpretation. Correct answer is question number 32, option number 4, then 33, option number first, then 34, option number second. Next one, which of the following statements regarding the future of information and communication technology ICT is R2? Correct answer is option first and second only. ICT are the main instruments for the creation of computer networks and the application based on them. Then ICT support the spread of information and knowledge, separating the content from the place where it belongs physically. Next, if 1 gigabyte is equal to 2 raised to 30 bytes data storage, then 1024 terabytes is equal to dash dash bits of data storage, 2 raised to 53. The software used to navigate through the web is known as web browser, option number second. With regard to email, what does BCC mean? Correct option is option second, blind carbon copy. The user specified in the BCC field will get the email and see the addresses into the CC fields. Random access memory, RAM, a form of computer storage, is a memory. RAM is a volatile memory. Next, in the computer network, HTTP is referred to a stateless protocol, as servers do not maintain any information about past client requests. HTTP is acronym for, म्हणजे सरळ STPP चं लॉंग फॉर्म, Correct answer is option second, hypertext transfer protocol. Then the arsenic pollution is groundwater in Bangladesh and parts of India is due to natural sources. Next, among the following air pollutions which directly impacts human health as well as climate, correct answer is soot, option number first. Then assertion and reason. Assertion, the problem of environmental sustainability are difficult to resolve. Reason, our understanding how environment works and how different human choices affect environment is inadequate. Correct answer is option number first. Both A and R are correct. R is the correct explanation of A. Then the percentage share of electrical power from solar energy in the total electric power generation from all renewable energy resources sought by achieved by Indian government by the year of 2022, that approximately 57.1%. As a part of intended national determination contribution, Indian government through additional forest and tree cover has resolved to create an additional carbon sink in terms of carbon dioxide equivalent by year 2030 to the next of, correct answer is option second, 2.5 to 3 billion ton. Then which of the following is a meteorological hazard? Correct answer is blizzard, option number 4. Then which of the following universities institutes is ranked first in Indian ranking 2016? Correct answer is option number 3, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Which of the following statements are correct about distance education in India? Correct answer is option 3, A, B, D. At supplements from education, it reduced to the cost of education, and D, it enhanced access of education. Next, which of the following are statutory bodies? Correct answer is option number 3, B and C, University, UGC and AICTE. Next, which of the following statements are not correct is respect of Rajya Sabha? Correct answer is option number 4, A, B, C, D, all of. Next, which of the following statements are not correct about the powers of governor of a state? Correct answer is only A. He was the power of disclose the legislative assembly. In which of the following cases the principle of natural justice here and other part must be followed? Correct answer is option number 3, A, B and D. Which of the following statements reflect the basic characteristics of teaching? Select the correct alternative form of the course. Correct answer is option number 2. Third, teaching is related to learning. Then 4, teaching is a task, work, while learning is an achievement word. And 6, one many teach without learning taking place. Next, which of the following factors affected teaching? Choose the correct code to indicate the answer. Correct answer is option number 1. Then, which combination of methods of teaching is likely to optimize learning? Correct answer is option number 3. Interactive lecture session followed by booth session, brainstorming and projects. Then 56, assertion and reason. Assertion, teaching aids have to be considered as effective supplements of instruction. Reason, they keep the students in good behavior. Then correct answer is option 2. Next, the purpose of formative evaluation is to, option 2 is correct answer, accelerate students learning performance. Which of the following learner characteristics are likely to influence the effectiveness of teaching aids and evaluation system to ensure positive results? Correct answer is option number 4. learner's maturity level, academic performance level, and motivational disposition. Next question. For advancing knowledge, the latest strategy used by mankind is, correct answer is option 3, scientific thinking. Then set 1 and set 2, research method and procedure characteristics. Correct answer is option number 4. Correct answer is option number 4. आता आपण यामध्ये 28/8/2016 म्हणजेच 28 ऑगस्ट 2016ला जो पेपर झाला होता नेटचा ऑफलाईन पद्धतीने, त्याच्या इंग्लिश प्रश्नांचे प्रश्न व उत्तरे वाचन या व्हिडिओत केलेले आहे. आपण यामधील मॅथमॅटिकल रिझनिंग आणि डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन या दोन्ही टॉपिकवर स्वतंत्र व्हिडिओ बनवणार आहोत. तसेच हिंदीमधून वाचन व पूर्ण स्पष्टीकरण यासाठी स्वतंत्र व्हिडिओ आपल्या चॅनलला उपलब्ध आहे. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास लाईक करा, आपल्या मित्रांना शेअर करा व ओएसिस करिअर पॉईंटचे यूट्यूब चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.